Welcome to another week of Ask Hennasooq. My name is Khadija. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. I am a leading expert in henna natural hair dye, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and gorgeous henna body art. And this week we got 3 questions that we've chosen from the comments, talking about making your hair thrive, talking about the new studio and salon and retail space in Columbia, Maryland. So let's get into these questions. Let's see what we got. We got a question from Monica Hewitt. Asks, I have one spot in my head where my hair just breaks off. It used to be one spot and now that spot is spreading. Please, any suggestions? First and foremost, really definitely seek out medical advice on that. You might want to see a dermatologist to talk to your doctor about that, because it is really unusual that that's happening. And you should really look into what's going on there. In the meantime, I really recommend that you nourish your scalp. You're going to be using Ayurvedic scalp and root mask. You can definitely use our Ayurvedic hair oil to stimulate that area and the growth. And if you need something even more gentle and mild, then you could definitely use our organic camellia oil. Would be a great choice for massaging and treating that area, and massaging it and just really stimulating it and get it to feel not so also inflamed. And again, seek medical advice. All right, so question number 2 comes from Southern Girl 25. What should you use if you love your gray hair and don't want to hide it? How do you keep it from yellowing? You could definitely use products that we have here right at Hennasooq that you can use that will not alter your hair color. Just avoid using cassia and avoid using henna, because that will change the color of your hair. Definitely want to use our soap nut products to keep that vibrancy, keep it looking nice and shiny, and also Ziziphus products, another herb that works really well and will not color your grays. That will really keep it vibrant and looking nice and shiny. That should be definitely a good start. And then you can use some other over-the-counter, products that you may find that are specifically for gray hair and your regular maintenance otherwise as well. Question number 3 comes from Marianne Douglas Ungaro. She asks, will your Columbia shop be easily accessible from Washington by metro or WMATA public transport? Thank you. There is public transport in this area, so you can definitely, I know the bus comes really close, so you can definitely check that out. Just use all your, public transport resources to find out how you can easily connect to this area. But we definitely know that the bus comes right through here, so you can definitely easily get to us from Washington and from Baltimore. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Remember that if you have a pressing question, you need to go to our website, hennasooq.com, click on the chat, and we'll get all of your questions answered right there on the spot. It can be about your hair care, it can be about henna and jagger body art. Any of your questions, we got you. We'll answer them right there. And then, if you have questions that, you want to be chosen for this Ask Hennasooq series that we have for you every week, then just put that in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell so you get all the notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks, see you.